Welcome to today's video. In this episode, we'll take a look at the process of loading pulpwood, known in Swedish as lastning av musaved. It all begins when a specialized truck arrives at the wood storage yard. At the rear of the truck is a fixed hydraulic crane system, functioning like a powerful and precise mechanical arm. The operator sits in a small cabin mounted at the back, protected from wind and snow, with a clear view of the entire working area. Using a joystick control system, he maneuvers the crane arm and smoothly extends the grapple. Each bundle of raw wood, usually about 2 to 5 meters long, is firmly gripped and lifted off the ground. The strong hydraulic power ensures the crane operates stably, even when lifting multiple logs at once. Once lifted, the bundle is gently rotated and lowered into the truck bed. The operator carefully adjusts each movement to ensure the logs are tightly packed together, forming neat, secure layers. This stacking method not only maximizes the use of space, but also ensures safety when the truck travels along rough forest roads. This process is repeated rhythmically, lifting, rotating, lowering, like a mechanical sequence guided by instinct and experience. The operator maintains a steady pace, fast enough to save time, but precise enough to avoid any misalignment or impact between the logs. As the truck bed gradually fills up, the stacked logs form neat, even layers, as if pre-measured, a clear testament to the operator's skilled technique. Although the entire process takes only a short time, it demands intense focus and practice proficiency, especially in cold weather and uneven terrain. This step plays a crucial role in the forestry production chain, from harvesting and gathering timber to loading and transporting it to the mill. Every movement of the crane reflects the harmony between modern technology and human expertise in the Nordic timber industry. The video opens with the powerful and striking appearance of the Albach Diamant 2000 as it slowly makes its way into the timber yard. Massive logs, already felled and neatly stacked on the ground, resemble natural treasures awaiting processing. Thanks to its four-wheel drive and high-clearance suspension system, this self-propelled machine easily conquers all types of rugged terrain, from soft soil and muddy patches to smooth rocky outcrops deep in the forest. The suspension not only ensures stable movement but also protects critical components from damage when in contact with the ground. Next comes the moment when the hydraulic robotic arm gets to work. Mounted either at the front or side of the machine, the arm boasts 360-degree rotation, allowing it to grip and handle each log with ease. Equipped with a strong grapple, it lifts even the largest tree trunks without slipping or cracking. It's a truly impressive sight as the arm moves with precision, feeding the logs onto the intake conveyor. At the same time, a sophisticated system of cameras and sensors assists the operator in pinpointing the exact position of each log, ensuring smooth and flawless transfer into the chipper chamber. After each log is lifted by the hydraulic arm, it's guided into the machine through a powerful system of serrated feed rollers. These rollers don't just move the wood inward, they also regulate speed and pressure based on the type of timber being processed. For larger or denser logs, the system automatically slows the feed rate and adjusts pressure to prevent damage to the chipper blades. This is crucial, as wood chipping requires not only raw power, but also precision to ensure the machine's longevity. Whether the logs are dry, damp, or full of knots, this system handles them all with consistent reliability. As a result, the Albach Diamant 2000 optimizes productivity while preserving the integrity of its vital components. Once the logs are in position, the chipping process officially begins. The wood is fed into the chip drum, the heart of the machine, where razor-sharp blades are mounted around a massive spinning rotor. This rotor spins at extremely high speed, powered by an 850 horsepower engine that delivers tremendous inertia and cutting force. Each rotation of the drum acts like a hammer blow, instantly slicing hundreds of wood chips with precision. The result is uniform wood chips that meet strict standards for biomass energy production. Depending on the need, the operator can easily adjust the chip size, from G30, G50, to coarse chips for combustion use. This process not only produces high-quality raw material, but also offers maximum flexibility, serving a wide range of industrial and renewable energy purposes. Once the logs have been processed, they're expelled through a powerful this fan that blows the wood chips out. An essential this chute can rotate 90 degrees, allowing control the direction of the chip. Ensures the chips are accurately without spillage or waste. Feature is the minimal dust emission, a crucial factor in maintaining environment. Each travels several meters and is capable of projecting, enabling fast, handling of the chipped material. The entire operation of the machine is controlled from a soundproof cabin, where the operator can work in a quiet and comfortable environment. The operator's seat is equipped with a 180-degree swivel function, allowing for easy monitoring of the entire process, from the front intake to the rear chipping area. This feature is especially useful for keeping a close eye on every action and responding quickly to any unexpected situations. A system of 4 display screens, combined with wide-angle cameras, provides a complete overview of the machine's operation. This allows the operator to monitor each component's status without ever leaving the seat. The joystick controls offer smooth, precise handling, and most functions can be performed with just one hand, reducing strain and enhancing overall efficiency. Thanks to its smart design and user-friendly features, the Albach Diamant 2000 is not only a powerhouse of wood chipping, but also remarkably easy to operate, making the work experience both productive and comfortable. With all these advanced features, the Albach Diamant 2000 proves to be more than just a high-performance wood chipper. It stands as a shining example of modern engineering, delivering efficiency, precision, and operator well-being. Thanks for watching the video.